All right, so BlitzMax sent me over this monitor light bar to review. Here's the box. No money was exchanged, so you're gonna get an honest review from me. But first, let's unbox this thing and then we'll get into a live demo. Let's go. Now in the box, you get the light, the user manual, a USB-C cable, and the monitor mount. Now the monitor mount has a swivel here where you place the light in, and it allows you to swivel back and forth to adjust the angle of the light. Now on the back of the light, you have a USB-C port, plug the USB-C, and then the USB-A side into a power source. So now that it's mounted on the monitor, turn it on by simply tapping on the end. We can adjust the angle of the light, and we can change the settings of how the lights look. Different modes. And to adjust the brightness, simply just press on the end and hold. So change the mode, tap once, and change the brightness. Now to turn it off, just give it 2 taps on the side, and you're good. So overall, I really like this light bar. It really gives my computer setup that little extra something it needed.